Hello friends, in this video we are going to see shortcuts while working with slides. So I have this multiple slides with me which I have already created. Now I want to see a presentation how it will look in the full screen. For that, running the presentation, there is a key F5. If you press F5, it will show the slideshow mode. Next one is the shift F5. Now here you can see when I am pressing in any slide I am uh, using the F5 key, then it will always start with the first one, that is my first slide. Now if I want to start my PowerPoint presentation or the slideshow from the current slide, so I have to press shift and F5, then it will always start where your cursor is. So that is the difference between F5 and shift F5. Now once you start a slideshow mode, if you want to come out of that slideshow mode, then you have to press escape key. That is the use of escape key. Now the delete key, if you want to delete any objects like this object I want to delete, then select that object and press the delete key. So whichever object you want to delete, just press the delete key after selecting it. Next one is the switch button outline, between the outline and the slide view. Now if I want to press Control Shift and the tab key, you can see whichever data I have, it will be in this manner. So in the fifth slide I have some text. In this slide I have a smart view. So whichever text you can see, the slides and the outline, these are the two things you can see here. When there is a normal mode, you can toggle between them by using the shift, control and tab key. So you have to press control, shift and tab key simultaneously to toggle with slide and the outline view which is present here. Next one is the control and the square bracket. Now if you want to increase the font, then I have to select the text and press control and the square bracket. You can see I can increase the font size by using control and the square bracket. Next one is the control and the square bracket, which is the opening one. Now if I press control and the opening bracket of square, it will reduce the size of my text. Next one is the change case. If I want to change the case of my text, so I will press shift and the F3. It will change the case to uppercase and the lowercase like this. So that is the use of shift F3. Next one is the demote paragraph in the outline. Now I have this paragraph. So for that there is option shift, alt shift, right arrow to demote the paragraph, to promote the paragraph, alt shift, right arrow. Now I will select it, alt shift, up arrow, it will go up, it will go down, that is a demote, up and promote. So that is the use of demote and promote. The whole paragraph you can move like this. Next one is the this alt shift up arrow. Now the same thing we will do, alt shift like this, alt shift, and I will select the text which I want. So if I want to move my paragraph up, then I have to press up key, move down, down key. If I want to move to the left, left key. If I want to move right, right key with the alt and the shift. So whichever paragraph you want to shift up, down, left, right, then you have to press alt, shift, up arrow for going up, down arrow for going down, left arrow for going left, right arrow for going right, with the combination of alt and shift. Next one is the control shift C. copy formatting the selected shape. Now I have one shape with me, which is this. So I have applied some texture to it. Now I want to insert another shape like this, and I want to apply the same formatting to this shape also. So what I will do, I will select it, Control Shift C and Control Shift V. The same formatting is applied to it. Now if I again change something in that, the formatting, if I change something, the outline to this, then outline width is something like this. Now again I want to do the same thing. So Control Shift C, Control Shift C, C, Control Shift and V. So when you want to Control Shift C like this, so these are the options available, Control Shift C and Control Shift V. So whichever formatting here it is done, Control Shift C, Control Shift V. So same formatting can be applied to it. Next one is the help. If you press F1, it will show you the help with the Microsoft PowerPoint help. From here you can search anything regarding the PowerPoint. Next one is the F7 if you want to spell check. The spell check is already completed, so that's why it is showing spell check is completed. And F12 if you want to save as, then just press F12 and it will open the save as dialog box. From here you can change the type and the name of your slide and just save it. So in this way you can do the things which you can do by using the mouse. So these are the different shortcuts while working on the slides. Thank you.